Common lawn problems in Minneapolis and St. Paul include thinning turf, grubs. Sometimes there are diseases, fungal diseases. We have a lot of shade trees that can make it difficult for the lawn to grow underneath. Also, generally speaking, and this might apply across all of America, there are maintenance concerns that a lot of homeowners don't really understand when it comes to lawns. And so we always have a little bit of an education process with our lawn services. I've written a book for our clients that I hand out to every client at every consultation, and that helps describe best practices for lawns, including fertilization, watering, and mowing. Our lawn care services include weekly mowing, edge and trim, spring and fall cleanup, fertilization, aeration, and overseeding. We have a 3-year program for rebuilding soil health in all of our clients' lawns. And so through the process of aeration and overseeding, in addition to organic fertility, we're able to feed fungi and bacteria so that they can grow around the roots of the turf and supply the turf with all the nutrients and protection from diseases that the turf grass is ever going to need. We don't chase cosmetic results in exchange for long-term health. So we're looking to grow a lawn that's going to get healthier every year, thicker turf, stronger, more resilient turf year after year, whereas almost all lawn companies that I've encountered are focused on kind of that quick fix, make it look good this year, and we find that approach, when companies are using synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, undermines soil health. It provides a 1 or 2, maybe even a 3-year boost in aesthetics, and then a drop off severely after that. And it also ends up kind of hooking or addicting lawns to the synthetic fertilizer, because synthetic fertilizers destroy the fungi and bacteria around the plant roots. And that fungi and bacteria is there naturally through evolutionary processes, has grown to support plant life. So instead of undermining that for quick results, what we do is we feed the soil health for long-term results. Clients ask how long it's going to take to see results, what they can expect from maintenance, and we get a lot of clients asking, I'm glad they do, is this safe for my kids and my pets? Is this something that's safe around the house? The answer to that is yes. Our products are 100% safe for kids and pets from the day we use them all the way through their life cycle. So there's no time in the process of our lawn care regimen that kids or pets or anybody needs to be off the lawn.